Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add like video effects to your text. So add in your default text. I'm just going to type in watermelon because I don't know, it's just what came up like in my mind. I'm also going to select a font. You can also like select a color if you'd like to. And then to add in the effect, you're just going to simply add it on top, like go to effects here. And for instance, I want the, where is it? The edge glow one to give it that glow. And then I want to also add in some stars to it. Can't really see it. Maybe like find one that like you're able to see the actual stars. Some of them won't show that much, like won't show as well. Let's see, let's find something else to add. Okay, maybe not that, but like use, like see what I mean by it. Maybe not that either. I'm just going to go back to star actually, and I might add in this one. You're kind of able to see some of it. You can adjust the size as well. And then I'm just going to select everything and right click create compound clip so that it blends into just the text, just in case you want to add in like a background and you don't want that to show on the background, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!